Good morning, guys, to a dew-filled morning. Nawala naman ang kuan. Nawala ang bulak sa atis. Dili pa dagway panahon. But I like how the dew is forming on the leaves of the atis. And look at that. Mura nagpareha kadak asa sa ulo nako ang kuan. Ang dahon sa alugbati. Ka Ate Merna na ni nga alugbati. And this is our upo plant. Just broke through the canopy. And look, wow. Look at the sky. Beautiful. Wasn't expecting that. Come on, guys, I'm gonna go check the papaya. Not quite ready yet, but starting to color. I think it's time to get this. Murag daghan siya sa mud. It has sap all over. I don't know why. See, hagkot? Sap all over the lemon fruit. I'm gonna smell it when I get inside. Wait. Let's take a detour. The chilies aren't doing so well. That means these are F4 already. And I think they're at almost its last stages. That's because it's, what do you call this? It's a GMO, or it's a hybrid. So the longer you plant it, the lesser viable it gets. But it's a bonus. I bought this from the grocery store. This is the original plant. This is the F2. And then these are, this is F2 or F3. So that makes this F3 or F4, these small ones. But they're slowly dying off. Nice to see the Baguio beans. Baguio beans are starting to sprout. And first cherry tomato. I am gonna taste this. I wanna taste how sweet it is. So it isn't a circle, it's like a grape cherry tomato. These ones from Pau, I think they're cherry tomatoes. Cherry shaped cherry tomatoes. We also have upo here at this side of the garden because we're preparing for the summer heat plus the El Nino. So hopefully when it starts to get hotter, these plants, what? Oh, it's starting already. Oh, nice to see. Starting the paleya. Paleya is already starting to sprout. Starting to bear fruit. I see two. That one and the other one way over there. And our radishes are not doing too well. This is a red bulb radish, but wala man siya nag-produce og bulb. It's supposed to be round. Even the white radish isn't doing too well. Is it because of the heat or what? But we do have a lot of cherry tomatoes. Three lines, three rows of cherry tomatoes. Three rows, and the older plants that were bearing fruit, and these little ones underneath, which is gonna be planted here with all the kangkong, like this. Planting kangkong, and then there's gonna be cherry tomatoes in between the kangkong. Let me show you the ones that we already had. Sad to say, not all survived. Not all the cherry tomatoes and not all the kangkong survived, but that's how planting goes. Oh, I see two plants here also. Three, the eye. This one's already quite big. Nice. Nice to see the paleya bearing fruit. Okay, guys. Thank you, and that's it. And wow, the clover patch is becoming bigger and bigger. I'm gonna use experiment on the clover as cover crop for this summertime and for the El Nino. Okay, guys, thank you. And lastly, the Baguio beans are spaced so that they can give nitrogen to the cherry tomatoes. Okay, guys, Lipay lifestyle, visiting our organic garden or homesteading. And I'm signing off.